With 20 years of activity that includes a creative search for a women's language in theatre and performance, as also successfully applying the apparatus of this search to different communities of women, Niriksha Women's Theatre is now attempting to find a scheme of action in these pandemic times that has restricted the scope of activity for the performing arts. The first part of this attempt included creating an online open platform via social media for women theatre persons and organizers of theatre events to talk about COVID times, women, and theatre that resulted in our program Niriksha Talk Series. Emotional pressure to perform was as valid as the financial crisis for many of the women theatre artists who participated in our talk series. WAVE, the online women's play festival, is the outcome of the efforts by Niriksha to offer some relief to women theatre artists in these times of crisis. WAVE is also an open platform for women theatre artists to perform and publish. We thank each and all from our heart who have supported us in this endeavor. Adira VP. An alumni of School of Drama, Thrissur, Adira VP has participated as actor in ITFOK 2016, Mrinalini Dance Festival in 2016 and Mahindra Festival in 2019. She is an active member of a women's group called Arts of Kalvi Parambai. She has also acted in the recent Malayalam film Iratta Jeevanam. Payana. Synopsis. Their jobs lost, we find an exodus of migrant laborers towards their hometown. With no public transport available, they cross kilometers on foot. So many lives ending in midway. This play travels along these people from Orissa, Andhra, Delhi. Whom should one see? Uncle, a long way ahead. Divya Gopinath. Divya is an actress, model, and director assistant. A master's degree holder in theatre arts from School of Drama, Thrissur, she is currently pursuing MPhil from the same institution. She has participated in Mahindra International Theatre Festival of India as well as in ITFOK. Divya debuted on the big screen through the award-winning movie Kammati Padam and going on to star in Ayar Shashi, Abhasam, Anjam Padira, Turamukham. Kodi. Synopsis. The expression is that of a girl's last words to her mother. The girl is a prisoner and a rape victim. She was sentenced to death for defending herself and guarding her life. 2 days before her death, the 25-year-old talks to her mother. He finds her less to live was the reason which still scares her, and yet that was what made her live a beautiful, albeit very brief portion of it. Gargi Anandan. Gargi is a theatre artist from Kerala. She graduated in theatre arts from School of Drama and Fine Arts, Thrissur, and is now pursuing her post-graduation at Pondicherry Central University. She has worked in many plays and has participated in several national and international theatre festivals. Apart from theatre, she also works in films. Her debut movie, Run Kalyani, won her the Best Actress Award in the New York Indian Film Festival 2020. Kamakhya. Synopsis. Kamakhya, the goddess of desire. This performance is an identity crisis. The woman is a representation of lust, pleasure, and sensuality. What a pity that desire itself is unaware of what it means. Our bodies are mostly chattels for the partners to see, enjoy, and tear apart. From top to toe, every inch of the woman's body is hypersexualized, but she is herself not independent to explore that sexuality. A lifetime passes by, and sexual pleasure is not realized. The sighs and moans of a woman destined to be only patronizing reassurances to the male ego. Kanchan Avcharan. A theatre maker and a feminist, Kanchan started her artistic journey with a self-devised play, Happily Tagged Ever, based on menstruation, slut-shaming and body shaming. From Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, she had worked in Mumbai and then Trivandrum with Niriksha, now living in North Kerala, working under her own initiative called Theatre for Change. And 2019 INLAX Theatre Award grantee, she has recently started off with a project called Women and Movement to create awareness about free and conscious body movements through theatre. Marriage Counselor. Synopsis. A marriage counselor who keeps on traveling to the time she got married and how it changed everything for her. she tries to keep sane with the present meaning of marriage in her country, sometimes going out of control with her emotions. A tragedy in comedy. A comedy in tragedy. Conceived and devised by Kanchan Avchare with music by Sandeep Jayaraj and backstage support from Sandhya Avchare and Pooja Yadav. Pooja Mohanraj. A theatre practitioner from Kerala, Pooja is an alumni of School of Drama Thrissur and Intercultural Theatre Institute, Singapore. She has worked in over 30 plays, staged in prestigious festivals in India and abroad. List of content. Synopsis. In any emotional transaction within the boundaries of what is acceptable, my own is a thought that gets ruthlessly eliminated. The need to get accepted is a noose created by society hanging above any individual. Society, through its constant interference into the identity of the self, manages to create a smokescreen of rights and wrongs. When one begins to realize this truth, crisis sets in. Mist of Content is a one-act play that attempts to interpret this theme from a woman's perspective. Shajila Subaida. Shajila is a poet and theatre person. She was introduced to theatre via Rangasri Community Theatre, a program of Kudumbasri State Mission in 2014, for which training was given by Niriksha. She is now active in theatre, doing main roles in Niriksha plays, even as she does street plays for Rangasri Community Theatre. T. Paksham. Synopsis. A woman who gets highly disturbed by the violence and injustice meted out to women imagines herself to be alone inside a gloomy stone dungeon. Inside the dungeon, one day, a ray of light strikes her and she grows a pair of fire wings. She flies out, burns, and destroys all perpetrators of brutality against women. She is happy in the end with her fiery wings covering her. Shirley Shaiju. A Kudumbasri member who reached theatre scene via Rangasri Community Theatre, Shirley writes scripts, directs plays, and acts for Rangasri Street Theatre. She had done a major role in Chiragali Ochagal by Niriksha Women's Theatre in 2020 for Professor Shankarapilla Theatre Festival organized by Nattigaham. Noothunnamathe Vattavum Njan Parayunnu. Synopsis. Based on the poem Bhayam by Vimala Menon, the play travels through the memories of a woman who, defying all the misfortunes and tragedies befalling her, declares 101 that none can make me cry, until the time when her memories get caught by an image. At that time, she fears that she may indeed cry. Shobha Panjaman. Shobha is a UP school teacher who teaches Hindi. A resident of Palakkad, she was introduced to theatre through theatre workshops organized by Navaran, Palakkad. She continues to be active in theatre, acting in plays by Navaran. Balimrigangal. Synopsis. Society comprises of both men and women. Laws are for the good of this society. Parenthood is not restricted to just the natural parents, but also to anyone who brings up a child selflessly with love and care. They are the Kedavilakkugal, ever-burning lamps, in the storms created by the words like stepfather and stepmother coined by the social order. Balimrigangal, sacrificial animals, is about women falling prey to the same laws enacted to protect them. This may not be a real-life incident, but is something that keeps happening around us.